My hobbies and interests. I'd like to share a bit about my favorite hobbies, which are gardening and bicycling. Firstly, let's talk about gardening. Gardening is a wonderful way to relax and connect with the earth. I have a small garden in my backyard where I grow a variety of plants, including colorful flowers, aromatic herbs, and even some vegetables. Another hobby that holds a special place in my heart is bicycling. Riding a bicycle has been a passion of mine since I was a child. It's an activity that combines exercise, exploration, and a sense of freedom. I have a trusty bicycle that I take out for rides whenever I can. Bicycling not only keeps me fit, but also allows me to connect with nature and discover new places. I often plan weekend rides with friends, exploring different routes and enjoying the beauty of the outdoors.